gonna start doing the oil change. So the first thing is with this certain car, I'm gonna start with loosening up the oil filter because it's right on top. It's right in the center. Right underneath it, there is a motor mount, so it might be a little messy. So just note, and also have a little pan to catch that oil. So it is a little hard to get to, and it's right here in the middle. So kind of just loosen it a little bit and make sure again have a pan underneath so you can drain the excess oil. Just gonna look underneath, make sure that pan is right where I want it to be. Just bring it up. We're just gonna let it drain a little bit. As you can see, there is a little mess down there, but it's okay, we'll clean that up. Is I like to go in there and just kind of clean it off with a rag, just to make sure that we remove any kind of debris from the old seal from the filter. You can't really see it, it's more of a feel. What I like to do, I just like to put a little bit light of oil. As you can see, it's really not much. And again, it's more of a feel because you can't really see down in there, so we're gonna go ahead and put the filter on. So once I get that started, I'm just gonna snug it. Just make sure you're going straight. You don't want to go cross-threaded because then it is a pain to remove it, especially if it's in a spot where you can't really see. So in these cases, once it's snug, you'll feel when it's snug, you'll kind of hit it. And then I like to go just a quarter turn. It should be perfectly fine, no leaks, no nothing. And the reason why also you don't want to go over tighten because then the next time around it's going to be really, really hard to take that off. Alright.
Okay, ready.
So now we're going to drain the oil. The drain plug is right underneath. So we do notice that this, if you remove it, oil can basically splash on this bracket right here. You can remove these. So basically, I believe this is size 15. There's 4 of them, but what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna put this on the side so you don't make a mess. Just kind of loosen that up. Again, just gonna put this on the side right here. Remove it. I'm just gonna let that drain. As soon as I see there's not enough flow on there, I can remove it, and I know that I won't make a mess. But once you see that steady flow, not much is coming out anymore, and on the drain plug, I'm replacing the washer. Make sure to replace it, something similar to it. Go in by hand, always by hand. Don't want to strip it. Now to secure it, I know I am using a long wrench, but I just hold it by right in the center. That way I know I'm not going to over torque it. So again, it's just once it's snug, then I go about a quarter turn. That should be enough, and then we're just going to clean that excess oil. And also, don't forget to clean that excess oil when we remove the oil filter on top. So just clean it as best as possible. As you can see, it is a little messy. There's not much you can do about it. So I just go in there, clean it by hand, just with the rag. Alright, so now we're going to be topping off the oil. We do know it takes around 6 quarts, so we're going to put 6 quarts in the engine. And then we're going to be checking the level. So once we put 6 quarts in the engine, we're just going to check the level, clean it for the first time, take it out. It should be right there, but we're going to go ahead and start the engine and make sure that it is the correct level. And for those who are wondering what kind of oil, sometimes in the oil caps it tells you what kind of viscosity you would use for your engine. So So I turned on the car. You only need about 5-10 seconds just to build up the oil pressure. Again, we're going to be checking level. Clean the first one. We're going to check it, and reminder, you gotta, when you're checking the oil level, make sure you're at a flat surface. And we're perfectly on the dot. Just going to put that right back in. And that's how you do an oil change.